Oh, no. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So I've been watching a lot of Simply Nailogical. I'm just so mesmerized by her nails, by the art of her nails, and just the style and just the expertise she has with nails. So speaking of nails, we're gonna go and watch this nail video. I'm gonna try to attempt to do my nails. Hopefully I'll nail it. We're about to find out. So let's get started. Let's go. Oh yeah. Like if you've never seen like nail montages like this, it's just so, look at that. They're putting mosquitoes. Literally putting mosquitoes in the nails. Why are you putting mosquitoes in the nails? I thought this was gonna be a sweet video of people doing colorful stuff, but this mosquitoes? Like, at least put on your toes so you have mosquitoes on your toes, but not in your fingernails. Kind of reminds me of those candies with the bugs in it. It's the same concept. A lot of questions raise up in my mind. Why do you keep like a little container filled with dead mosquitoes? Like, how do you even find them dead to begin with? Like, if I see one flying around, I'm just gonna smack it. But thinking that they're perfectly in one piece and then putting it like they're all, it's one piece. They're all in one piece. I'm guessing you can buy dead mosquitoes at like the fishing store or something, but still, this is cool. You can do anything you want with these nails, but it's cool. That threw me off. Wow, look at that. Wow, mosquitoes! Oh, look at that. Wow. So whenever you go to the mall and then, you know, some lovely people are like, oh, I love your nails. What are they? Did you get a mosquito painted on there? And then you can just be like, yes, touch it. By the way, do you look at your nails like this or like that? Comment down below. Did you know that indicates what kind of person you are? If you go like this, you're more of the gentle, loving person. If you go like this, you're more of the go, aggressive, let's go kind of person. Yeah. We're still on the first one, but still, that's great. Oh no, they're putting the mosquitoes in an X-ray sunbathing tanner. Oh now, oh man, you're not even done yet. Oh, what a sight. Wow, interesting. Okay, all right, we get it. You got mosquitoes in your nails, all right. Well, I get it. Maybe this lady is just like, wow, probably had a history of mosquito biting her neck, her body, and then she's like, wow, this is the ultimate revenge. So I understand. Or do I? I don't know. All right, cool. Oh, look at this one. This is, oh, look, it's like a cat, and then you like push it. Oh, that's so cool. It's like a giant pimple on your nail, except you can convert it to a cat. Oh, that's a. These people are just so mean. Why would you cut off a cat's leg? I know it's not real, but you're using a cat's leg to make another cat's belly. Oh man. I mean, whatever it takes, I guess. That's pretty. Alright, well, at least you're painting a cat. You're not using a dead cat to put in your fingernails. At least not yet, unless something happens later on and. Wow, look, she's using her thumb as her canvas. That's pretty awesome. All right, super glue time. Yay, little did she know, that's actually a cat's leg. Meow, 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 meow. Ew, okay, now that I know what that is, it's kind of like, it's cool though, cool idea. Okay, what's this one? Oh, you're using gravity, and then you're using, oh, art. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then just shade it. Wow, very abstract. I love it. Okay, this is a leprechaun, I think. This looks like a leprechaun. I don't know. It kind of looks like a cookie. Is this a cookie? You're gonna put that in your fingernail? Wait, is she? That's huge. Is that even gonna fit on your fingers? Oh, it's a monopoly guy. You're gonna put that on your finger? Are you serious? What? How do you? Oh no. Are you so? Wait, how are you supposed to open your fingers? Like, how are you supposed to be like, bye? Like, I don't understand people. Spread your fingers. See? See, that's, she didn't show it because she probably did it and then she died. That's literally what happens when you don't do things the right way in life. Like that, I'm so confused. I don't know. Okay, let's keep going. All right, oh. All right. Okay, this fingernail looks like the fingernail just shedded like a snake, or like the fingernail is like throwing up water. I don't know. I don't understand this. I don't know what's happening. like, oh no, what's happening? Oh man. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. You're using it, making it like a dress of some sort, like a wedding dress. Okay, that makes more sense. I thought the fingernail was done when it was clear. I'm like, that's so dumb. All right, this one is pretty cool. This one makes sense, you know. A lot of work, but this is really cool. Really interesting. Cool. A lot better than the mosquito, and like the Monopoly guy that's stuck to all your fingers. You literally can't do anything with the Monopoly guy. That's the toenail. Okay, you better put a mosquito. That's scary. Okay, woo! I don't like toe. Oh, that's disgusting. Wow. Okay, I get it. You're cleaning your toes. I swear, if you don't put a mosquito in there, I'm gonna be so mad at you. What are you doing with the big toe? That's a really, really ugly big toe. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, guava juice. Nice. All right, Skittles. I get it. Person loves Skittles. Ooh, it's a dirty Skittle. Why would you? Okay. Okay. See, I don't understand this part. Like, it looks so beautiful. Like right here. Like right here. That looks gorgeous. Whoever did this added an extra step and added dirt. Why would you add dirt to something that's already miraculously amazing? This video is frustrating me. I don't understand. Nail Sunny. Nail _ Sunny, please. Oh gosh, this is gonna be a really long, ugly one. Ooh, it's like an icicle. Look at that. Okay, that's creepy. If you're like Slender Man or whatever this. Oh, did I just see what I just saw? I saw bread. Oh, that's cool. Like, the amount of intricate design is just great. This is gonna be. Oh, that is cool. It's like a picnic. It's a picnic. This is so cool. Wow, I don't understand the long fingernails. I guess it's supposed to indicate like a grill, I guess, right? But it looks cool though, look at that. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes, yes, yummy. Okay, well, at least you can, you can go to like a Chinese restaurant now, eat some lo mein with your 2 fingers. Just go. This is so cool. Look at that. Look at that one on the left. The one on the left is like probably something like a bowling ball fell on it or something. Ew. Oh, ew. I'm skipping this one. I can't do toenails like that. Okay, there you go. That's more like it. What are you doing here? It's a flower. Okay, let's keep. I'm gonna just fast forward it a little bit, see if there's more mosquito bugs or something really. What? I don't know. The toenails freak me out more than like trypophobia or whatever. The holes. Like, let's just watch like. Let's do 10 seconds of this. I'm just curious. Oh, the music changed. Don't do it. Okay, there you go. You don't have to show the cleaning process. You gotta show the cleaning process. All right. Okay, I get it. Oh, look at this one. That's what you call really artsy. All right, there's nothing. Let's just go back to the mosquito. Yes! Yeah! This is so messed up. Like, you're just messing with a dead animal like that. Look at the leg. Like, look, look at that. There's like this piece of, you see this leg right here? At least put this leg back over there. That's messed up. That's messed up. Oh my gosh. All right, well, luckily I have some nail gadgets here. Yes, that's right. I am inspired by all these toenails and mosquitoes. I'm gonna make myself some nails, okay? So we have ourselves a nail. We gotta measure oh yeah, there you go. Really quickly, this one's just like you tear it out and you stick it on your fingernails. All right, now gotta find a mosquito. There's no mosquitoes. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Look at this finger. So I have a tiny one right here. Probably put this in my big finger. Wow, look at that. Looks nice. You see, people do a lot of artsy things. I've been inspired by all these creative like art design. So I'm just gonna make this the longest fingernail here. So I'm just gonna stick this one here. I love fingernails. I don't like toenails though. How do I look? Do I look good? Comment down below, what was your favorite art design? Was it mine? Is it the mosquito? Or is it the Monopoly guy? Mine, definitely mosquito, then the Monopoly guy. But this is so dumb. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope I nailed it. Bye.